Good morning. It's 4 a.m. Day 5. Okay, so we've got our niche. Find a platform. Um, we know we've got to get traffic, so I'm still working on traffic. I can't even sleep on that one. We were talking about the response yesterday, and we've got the little program open right here. And if we go to tools, let's just move my face out of the way here. So we'll go to tools and then to website builder. This is how you build a website. Now in order to get that traffic out there, we've got to guess again, research. So we're going to have to learn everything we can about SEO, search engine optimization, because if we don't have a search engine optimized, then we're not going to be found. So all this research and all this stuff is for nothing. And we do want to reward ourselves for working, that's for sure. So they have conversion tunnels. I already started playing around with Teachable and trying to figure out how this works, but it's pretty simple, this whole thing. You can go on there and make a new one. So we can create a funnel, which it leads you through step for step and asks you all the questions that you need to know, or landing pages, because those are going to be important. So you can create a landing page. For example, if I go here and create a landing page, then it just pick out your template and let it roar. Just they even get you, give you templates you can look through. If you'd like to use them, you can change the colors, you can change everything. But like I said, it's really simple. It's all drag and drop. But that SEO is starting to bother me a bit, because the internet is so big and people are all over the place, and we're trying to fix somebody's problem and trying to find those people that have that problem. So we got to know what they're searching for, or what terms they're using to search for, and use what they call long tail search. So how to blah blah blah, or how to fix a sink, or what are the most searched terms. That's where we go back to that research that we did on the first time with Google and other platforms, Socrates, and we want to use those search terms when we do our description. When you do the description, then also in the SEO, you want the title and everything in the description. But we'll get more on that SEO. I've got to do a ton of research on that, so that's what we'll do. I can also just give you a tip. If you write down every day, what you need to do the next day, everybody always write it down, that little black book that we got going on. But kind of write down your tasks. So what am I going to do tomorrow? I'm going to build my landing page. I'm going to research SEO. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to, just about anything that you plan on doing. And then prioritize them, put them in order, what's the most important, and do them one for one, or a lot, that amount of time for each task. Do not multitask. That was about the stupidest thing that anybody ever came up with. There's no such thing as multitasking. That just means you started 5 tasks that never got finished. So do one at a time. do your one task, get that one task done, and then move on to the next. If you don't make it through your list that day, then basically start over, not on the whole task list, but start that next task or the next priority task. He lands on the test for the next day. That's all I can tell you. It's a lot more efficient that way. And, you know, we've got all these fads and things that run around the world, and everybody wants to be the hero out there and you know, kind of push against the grain. But multitasking, that was a fad. Believe me, it never worked. Everybody just wanted to claim I'm a multitasker. And, yeah, good for you. You're not. You're just doing 20% of each task that needs to get done, but never accomplishing anything. So get out there, write your list. I'll do some research on SEO and give you some information on that, and go work on that tomorrow. I'll put the link for GetResponse down in the description again, so that people can actually go there. Give that thing a try. It's a beauty. I kind of really like it. It's really simple, even for us beginners. Step for step, and they've got all those videos in there that you can watch, and they've got videos on SEO too. So I'm gonna watch those videos and do some more research from other places and get that information to you. So have a wonderful day. Trying to keep it a little bit shorter. I've rambled on too much in the last few, and keeping it short. So I will see you tomorrow at 5 a.m. or not 5 a.m. Goodness gracious, now I don't even know what time it is. I'll see you tomorrow at 4 a.m. Have a great day.